Hang out here. Hello, baby. You made it. Welcome. You can do the live session with Daddy. Yes, yes, yes. I love you. Oh, my goodness. All right, guys. So let's see. What happened with you and Momo FX? We're still good. Nothing happened. Dave says, I want to join, Nick. What do you want to join, bro? What do you think about AMC? If you're talking about the stock, I don't know. Do you know about institutional concepts? I know about profitable trading. Whether it's institutional or smart money or break and retest or retail bullshit, you call it whatever the fuck you want. What are you doing? She's like sniffing my gun. She's like, Daddy, give me that gun. Let me play. What time do you normally start looking at GBP pairs? I do all my analysis in the morning around 6 a.m. whenever I get up, and then also I do it in the evening. Any mountain lions there? No, Kaval, I haven't seen any. The worst I've seen here is a skunk. And then some dude also told me there was like an otter right here that like backs up. Like there's like this river thing. It's like a fork of the Trinity River that goes to like Lake Benbrook, like somewhere over there. Actually, that right there is actually the little dam for the lake. It's like the barrier. Apparently there's been a fucking beaver. It's kind of cool. That's it. Nothing crazy though. I haven't seen any deer or mountain lions or anything. Shout out to the best trader I ever learned from. Cool. I'm flattered that you think I'm the best. Are there times where you don't trade for like a week or two simply because no trade setups? Yeah, scroll through my Telegram last week. I took one new trade and it stopped out. The only reason last week was profitable is because of the runners from the week before that I closed in profit. So that was good. Shout out to Nick. What's up, brother? Why isn't your name Jesus? How much can you bench press? I haven't bench pressed in a while. That's a good question, man. I'm not that strong. I'm skinny as fuck. Why don't you give smart money a try? Because I do profitable trading, bro. Call it whatever you want. Fucking smart money shit. You getting a new Tesla, brother? Yeah, Diego. Bonnie and I are gonna probably order a Model S this coming summer. I can't hear you. Are you really speaking? Yeah, can you guys hear me? Can you guys like tap like the like button or some emoji so that they fly up on my screen if you can hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. GJ is crazy. Can't make its mind up. Okay, so there's a bunch of hearts dropped, so I guess you can hear me. Okay, cool. Alright, cool. I was just making sure. Yeah, sorry, it's like fucking cold out here. You see, I'm like skinny, so it's hard I gotta wear all this shit, but Ruby, she loves it. She's got all this like fur, so she like loves being up here. Also appreciate everything you do, man. Thank you. You're welcome, man. Are you a fan of bot traders? I don't know what that is, but if you're talking about like automated trading, I don't know enough about it. Do you have health insurance? If yes, how much do you pay for it? I'm actually still on my mom and dad's plan, but I turn 26 next month and I have to get my own plan. So I don't know how much it's going to be. Maybe like $500, $1,000 a month. Bonnie's on her own because she's like self-employed now. I think she pays like, I don't know, like $500 a month, $300 a month, $400 a month, something. Let's hope I don't have to fucking shell out some more cash, dude. I gotta pay for me and Bonnie and my fucking dog. I've got to have some health insurance here, dog. Thanks for all the free content. You can literally become profitable just by your videos. You're welcome, Riley. Yeah, I get dozens of messages a day of people like, bro, I've been profitable 3 months, blah, 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 blah. It's great. I'm happy you guys are getting results. How long do you usually spend on the charts, you say? Maybe like 2 or 3 hours. Do you know how blessed you are? Yes, and I'm very thankful for all the hard work that I've done. All right, so GBP pairs are setting up like literally right now as I'm on this call. Let's hope I don't miss some trades. I wouldn't be able to take some trades anyway because I'm not at my computer. So, all right. Birmingham versus the world says COVID is fake. All right. Julian says willing to learn from you, but I'm on a budget so I can't join yet. Perfectly fine, man. You probably shouldn't be doing Forex trading in the first place, honestly, unless you got a reasonable amount of capital to start with. That's just the truth, brother. Some people think I'm being mean when I say that. They're like, oh, you're oppressing the poor people. And I'm like, just being fucking real with you, man. You want to invest. Investing requires using money to then grow your money into more money. But guess what? You can't invest if you don't have money. So how am I being fucking mean? It's the truth. What a dumb question. Do you know how blessed you are? Of course he knows. I think the point of that question was, am I being arrogant and am I being like like not understanding. Like, believe me guys, I fucking struggled for 2 years, almost 2 years before I even got kind of like living a life that was more free and I didn't have to work as much. Yeah, I was telling Bonnie 2 days ago when we were having coffee, I was like, I'm very fucking happy with everything that life has like bestowed. Because I know there's people who work like 10 times as hard as me, and they just grow up in like a fucking shitty third world country and they have no opportunities. I'm fully aware of that, and that is sad. That sucks. It's very unfortunate. I feel so bad for those people. You know, thank the probability that I just happen to be born in a country like the United States where I'm able to be like have these opportunities. I fully recognize how blessed I am, and I'm very thankful for it. So I hope that comes across. Love your NickShawnFX program. It's really helping me learn. Good deal, Jay Rousey. I'm glad you're a client, brother. Are you getting the new Tesla Plaid Plus? Yes, but I'm gonna order it this summer. Virtuo 321. I'm profitable, but not as much as I want to be. But I'm definitely a better trader because of you. Good deal, brother. Consider joining NickShawnFX. Can you adopt me? It depends. Nick, please visit Nepal. I don't know if I'd have a big reason to go to Nepal. Have you read my DM, bro? Probably not, man. I don't check really any of my DMs. I have Stefan, my support agent, and then also Johnny, my other support team, like read through my DMs, and if it's worth responding to, then I will. But you gotta understand how many retarded DMs people like me get. Like, it's fucking... I'm not saying your DM was retarded because I don't know what you sent, but you gotta realize how, like, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of retarded DMs every day. The only thing we'll respond to if someone's literally messaging us saying like, hey Nick, I'm ready to buy your program and pay you, but the card isn't working on the website. Can I use PayPal or something? Then we'll respond to something like that. But otherwise, if it's just like, I have people like sending me their daily trades and analysis and screenshots and asking all these questions, and I'm like, you're not even a fucking client. Where's my incentive to help you? So normally I don't respond. Jonathan says, I feel your skinny pain. Yeah, I mean, I'm not like upset that I'm skinny. It just happens to be the case. I'm actually kind of happy about it. I like being skinny. It's not that bad. How did you originally fund your account? Saving up money from working 80 hours a week. I had like $8,300 that I saved up, which is how much I lost in 2016. So in 2017, around the summer, I saved that much up. And I put $1,500 into an account and I just traded that. Do you trade synthetic indices with derivatives? No, I guess. I don't know what that is, to be honest. GJ setting up nicely, bro. Yeah, I gotta get back to my charts. I normally need some like price rejection for at least an hour at the zone, so I mean, I'll be back to my computer probably in less than 30 minutes and I'll check to see if it's setting up. But GJ, GU, I'm looking for buys on both of those literally right now. I'm just waiting for them to like start rejecting the zones, and if they do that, I'll go long. And also I'm waiting on USD SCK and USD CNH to set up for sells. Diego says about to start the new program, new updates. We'll send you feedback on Discord. Sounds good, Diego. Send it to the support team email, bro. That'll be easier. Show Ruby. There she is. There's Ruby. Just loving her life. It's fucking cold up here. I'm gonna head back to the top of the mountain. Alright, let's hope I don't fall over. This will be a pretty hilarious live if I like fucking fall over while I'm doing this live. You guys will see me like tumble down the mountain and my phone will be like like flying around and shit. Alright. I am broke and love you for doing this free. Good deal, Nick. Nicka. I'm glad. What broker can you trade metal and indexes? Most unregulated brokers you can. I can't trade it with Oanda. Fucking Oanda. I love them because I can use them on TradingView, but I can't trade gold and any shit like that. You're definitely a March baby. Yeah, I definitely am, man. Has your course give up, gone in price yet? What the fuck? No, it's not gone up in price yet. We're waiting to get some feedback from clients, and we're going to change some things and optimize them around what clients like and don't like. And after that happens and it's all sorted out, then I will increase the price in like probably like 3-4 weeks. We're going to raise it to 2K, and we're going to start doing onboarding calls for clients. So people won't just be able to go and buy the program. They'll have to get in a call with my team first, and my team will decide if the person is likely to get results, if they're in a good financial position to do something like Forex trading, and a couple other metrics, because we don't want just anyone buying the program. We only want people buying it in which there's a very likely probability that they'll actually get results with it. I don't want to take someone's money if I don't think I can get them results trading. So yeah, it's gonna be like a vetting process. It's fucking beautiful up here. Like you can see like downtown from up here. It's like way over there. Downtown Fort Worth, Benbrook. It's like beautiful. It's like a hidden gem up here. All right, start headed back down the mountain. On MetaTrader 5, I can't find the Telegram anywhere. Brian, you're gonna have to be a little bit smarter than that, dude. Go find the link in my bio, do the free training. You will find your way into the Telegram. I'm surprised at how many people ask me, like, Nick, please, I'm begging you, give me access to your Telegram. I'm like, have you not found the link in my bio? Free training, free YouTube, free everything, and you still haven't fucking found it, but you got the time to message me 10 times in my DM? Like, my God, common sense here. All right, Ruby, let's hang out here in the sun for a second. All right, see. Is it always good to put your stops to break even after profit? I think so. I think it's a good way to manage trade. You don't trade on your phone with the Land app? No, I prefer to do it from my computer. Is Osprey FX good? My friend Anthony uses that. Mamba FX, he says it's good, so maybe. Hello from Greece. What's up, Augustine? I've been trying, failed of greed and no patience. I am improving now. That's good. God is good, brother. Cool. Nothing but abundance, bro. What's the weather like out there in Dallas? Bro, it's sunny right now. It's beautiful. There's the sun. It's like so beautiful right now. A lot of negative reviews about you online, but I'm happy with the program. Thanks, man. I wonder where all the negative reviews are, bro. I haven't found many. I check that shit out maybe like once a month and I go read them to try to see if I can learn anything to make my program better. But a lot of the shit I see, people are either just fucking lying or they're uninformed or they're retarded and wouldn't get results anyway in the first place, regardless of whether it was my program or someone else. But I'm glad you're enjoying the program, brother. Cheers. I don't give a fuck. If people can say whatever they want, my competitors can do whatever they want. My focus is on the client. I know that if I consistently delight my clients and give them the best experience possible, that is all that fucking matters. Anyone else who thinks it's stupid or blah, 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 it's whatever. They can say whatever. I've never typically been criticized by someone doing more than me. But I take client feedback seriously for my paid clients. Thank you, brother. Don't stop cursing. Yeah, I don't think I'll stop cursing anytime soon. How many clients do you have? Maybe like 2,000, maybe like 2,200. I don't know. Also, your videos work for me on Telegram. Cool. Video breakdowns for the win. Yeah. Hey, bro, how are you? I'm good. Why does the Forex community have so many scammers and false info out there? Think about how lucrative it is, bro. Think about how lucrative it is. Like trading, I can make anywhere from like 10K to 30K a month. Sometimes more. Like November, I made 55K trading. In December last year, like a month and a half ago, or what was pretty much like a month ago, I made 8K. This past month, January, this year, I made 20K. So you can make good money trading, but bro, selling my program, like, fuck, I do more than that, dude. Like trading, I'll make between like 10 and 30K a month, usually most months. Selling my program, I make like 50K a month sometimes, man. So it's like lucrative. That's probably why you've got all these people willing to like do dog shit, bullshit stuff to try to like sell a fucking program that doesn't get results for people because it's lucrative. Anytime there's money involved, you'll see people do some dumb shit like that. It's not just the Forex thing. It's just like a human condition. South Africa, third world, but we keep pushing. Good job, bro. Are you plant-based? Yes, I am. I'm vegan. Any opinion on silver? No. What's the amount of money someone needs to start trading, like the minimum budget? It depends on you and your geographical location, as well as your risk tolerance and your objective for trading. What kind of supplements or vitamins do you take? Swiss investor. So Bonnie and I take like a multivitamin in the morning. Since we're vegan, we don't want to be deficient on like iodine or like B12 or anything. So we take like a multivitamin that we get from Whole Foods. It's like this gummy vitamin. She is so cute. She is like my best friend. You are so cute, man. You are so sweet. You are so sweet. I love you. God, I love her. Yo, brother, just want to ask, do you ever consider fundamental analysis part of your trading? Asking all the way from Philippines. Yes, I do. If there's like major news events going on. I used to like include it a lot, like back in the summer when I first learned it. But I found out the only stuff that matters is like the major news events. So that's what I focus on now. And it says, I guess it's mainly technical now. When you're making a new vid, probably the end of this week, I'll do a recap. How do I get friends to join? I don't have a link. Just tell them to go click the link in my bio and do my free trading. Then have them decide if they want to join it. What do you think about Bitcoins? I don't know. I think it's going to go up, but who knows? Come to Houston, host a seminar, bro? Nah, I don't want to, man. Let's do it online. Do you have to close trades early and secure profit sometimes instead of always thinking it will hit take profit? I think that's a good way to do it. Because like with me, like my average risk rewards are like 1 to 10 to 1 to 30, and sometimes even higher than a 1 to 30 risk reward ratio. However, what is the likelihood of it getting hit, like the full profit target? Very unlikely, like 15 to 25% from what I've been doing. I'm gonna start heading back down the mountain. Let's go, Ruby. So since it's so unlikely to get hit, the likelihood of you getting a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 is very likely. Like it's like very, like 50% or more. And so with those, I'll just secure some partial profits after the trade's gone into at least like a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. I'll peel out the profits of whatever my initial risk on the trade was, and then I'll move the stop to break even. And then I'll just like get down on my fucking knees and say a prayer that it continues all the way to the final target. And you know, maybe it'll go halfway there and you'll book out maybe 1 to 10 risk reward and profits. Maybe it'll go further, like a 1 to 15, and maybe it'll miss your final target and come back and hit break even at some point, but at least you peeled out some profits along the way. That'll help pay for your losers. It'll help have cash flow to your account. So you're peeling out profits week to week, and every now and then, maybe like 1 out of every 4, 1 out of every 5 trades, you'll have a huge profit target met. It's just a matter of observing things from the daily and 4-hour time frames and going down and pinpointing your entries on lower time frames to get like, you know, logical entries, better risk rewards. But it's the same shit I've been doing for years, just breaking retests, but just more pinpointed with better risk rewards now. I like the way you keep it real. Your knowledge and straight talk made you join. Good deal, bro. I'm me. What mountain are you on? I'm also from Fort Worth. Oh, well, don't come up here and fucking like find me right now. But I'm in Oakmont Park right now. It's like very near where I live, Oakmont Park. There's like this little trail. I didn't know about it till like just like a few months ago. Bro, do a tray flip? Okay. I don't skate anymore, bro. It's too dangerous. Some people have too much time on their hands, bro. Ignore the negative comments. Keep doing you. Yeah, I found that's what works best. I found that's what works best. Just ignore it. USDCNH is going to melt now. Yeah, I hope so. And I hope I get an entry. In fact, I'm going to keep headed home. Let's go, Ruby. I'm going to keep headed home so I don't miss these fucking trades. God, that's the life. I've missed like 3 trades yesterday that would have been like in like 5K profit. 2 of them would have came back for break even, but one of them would have been in like 4 or 5 grand profit right now. But I missed it because Bonnie and I were test driving a Model S Performance. Should have stayed home and fucking traded instead. Are you happy as a trader, or do you miss doing certain things in your old life? I miss working in the criminal justice field, as crazy as that sounds. I worked security, I worked loss prevention, I worked as a patrol officer, and I was going to be a police officer. I miss that kind of shit. It's just fun to me. It's something different every day. But I enjoy what I do now more. I really do enjoy trading. I enjoy running NickShawnFX. I enjoy having my life with Bonnie and my dog. So I enjoy this more. But yeah, every now and then I kind of miss. I'm sorry, there's like a plane up above. But every now and then, yeah, I miss maybe like, yeah, like the criminal justice field. That was kind of cool. But it's whatever. Hello from Westlaco, Texas. What's up, brother? Beautiful day in Texas, isn't it, man? Bro, it's like sunshiny and shit. I'm like out here like in the mountains, like on a walk with my dog. It's beautiful. David from San Antonio. Oh, bro, I didn't know you were in San Antonio. What the fuck? Hi, Andy. What's up, Isabella? Big facts. Hello from South Africa. Why you like using black charts? Is there a secret behind that? Yes, black charts matter, brother. Is GBP short? I don't know about that, man. I'm bullish on GBP. The gent that Forex always needed. Thank you. Hey, bro, why do I see a lot of entries in the charts? How do I determine a perfect entry, bro? There's never going to be a perfect entry. There is only controlled risk and logical analysis. Hey, dude. Thank you for all the education you give out. No problem, Alicia. Vegan life. Fuck yeah. Vegan life is good. Hey, what's up, teacher? Thanks for all the knowledge. You're welcome. Thank you for your work analysis. You're welcome. NickShawnFX. She's such a princess. Yes, she is. And look at her chilling on her log. Ruby, come up here and be cute. Hey, come here. Yeah, she doesn't want to fucking jump on shit. She's adorable. And she like knows all the trails, so she can like I'll let her guide the way, and she'll like just kind of guide me around. She's such a princess. She's adorable, man. Hi there, big guy, all the way from South Africa. Hey, what's up, big guy? Do you live in Houston? No, I don't live in Houston. What do you think about Ethereum BTC? That's like a broad question. How do I even answer that? I could say like, I think it's cool. I think it's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go down. I don't trade any crypto right now, so I don't know. I don't think I'm a good person to ask. Nick, get back to your chart, you bald, sexy demon. I am, bro. I'm pacing myself. Got a little more ways to go. All right, Ruby. Let's head back to the charts. Let's go ahead and get this money. Have you heard of naked Forex? Yes. You know, I kind of trade naked Forex. I don't really use any indicators, so I kind of trade like, I mean, pretty much with just support resistance mainly. Sometimes I use fib confluence or trendline confluence, or like a little bit of these confusing theories behind like wick-off logic and springs and liquidity and all this shit. But it's mainly just some horizontal zones, man. It's some boring, plain and simple shit. All right, I'll join NickShawnFX soon. School is the way, even though school is a scam. I hope that statement is a joke. There's somebody behind you. What the fuck, really? Yeah, I keep on checking, because it's like out here in the middle of nowhere, right? I'm out here like I carry my fucking gun everywhere, right? Because like I don't know, like if some fucking crazy person or a wild animal is gonna like run up on me. So I'm like always paranoid. I'm afraid somebody will think that like when I'm out in public with Bonnie and shit, like somebody, you know how there's always all those fake accounts of me that scam people for Bitcoin? Like I've had someone come to my fucking house before. I made a YouTube video about it. And like Bonnie answered the door with a gun, and it was this dude, and he's like, I need to talk to Nick Shawn right now. Like he stole my money and I'm here to get it back. And I'm like, what the fuck? It was someone created a fake account of me and fucking told this person, invest $2,000 and get $20,000 in 3 days. And the fucking idiot sent them money and then thought it was me. Came to my house. So I'm like afraid if I'm out in public, somebody's gonna be like, oh, that's Nick Shawn. He fucking scammed me. Now I'm gonna kill him. So I just carry a gun everywhere. Hopefully nothing bad ever happens. All right. Are you half Indian? Yes. What is your dream car? I don't know. I like my Miata. Nick, there's a serial killer around there. I wouldn't be surprised. How cold is it, Nick? Maybe not cold by most people's standards, but for me, since I'm so skinny, it's really cold. I don't know how cold it is right now. It's probably like 60, 65 maybe. Maybe like 60. Glad to be a NickShawnFX member. It's on fire lately. Good shit, bro. Glad to have you. Dude, I can relate with everything that you do. I'm a paramedic from South Africa, but I'm walked. Yeah, bro. It's like tough, bro, being a first responder or being in the service industry. You gotta consistently deal with shitty people. Maybe not as an EMT, but certainly in law enforcement. I'm studying criminal justice and legal studies. Very cool. Cool. Hello from France. What's up? Working towards being a trader? Cool. Is it so cold? To me, yeah. Greetings from Russia. What's up? Yo, it's good, Nick. Hello. How many pairs do you watch? All of the major ones. How many do you recommend new traders to watch? I don't know, dude. Whatever works for you. You gotta test out some shit. Kirsty says hello from England. What's going on, mate? How you doing? We're chilling out here, having a beautiful day, right? Beautiful day out in London. Hey, bro, what's the logical analysis you mean? I mean, like, if the market's in an uptrend, you should be looking for buys. If the market has broken above some recent highs, came back to test as support, you should probably be looking for buys. If the market is showing a lot of bullish rejection at a support level, you should probably be looking for buys. Like, it's like putting everything together and using the kind of logic behind it to craft a trading decision. I see so many people, it's like, Nick, I took a sell and I don't know what happened. It just took a sell and it hit my stop loss. And I'm like, well, what trend is it in? And they're like, I think it's an uptrend. And I was like, what is it on daily, 4 hour, and H1? They're like, yeah, it's an uptrend on all those time frames. And I'm like, you entered at a support level. Why'd you do that? And they're like, I don't know. I just thought it would go down. And I'm like, why'd you think it would go down? And they're like, I don't know. And I'm like, be fucking logical here. Hey, still doing the half and half payments, boss? Yes, Stefan should still be doing that for the rest of this next week. If you guys are wanting to join NickShawnFX, but the price is an issue, email my support team. It's support@NickShawnFX.us. Email my support team and ask for a payment plan. You can pay half now and you can pay the other half in like a month or two. Just don't fuck us over. I'm trying to be nice. Is Momo scared of dogs? I think he actually is a little bit. I think he's better now, but whenever he first met my dogs, they came to my house, he's like, hold on, why aren't they in cages? And I was like, you're not from here, are you? But it was just really funny. Do your parents support you to drop out of school or what you want? Got the same problem and want to go all in? my stepdad, which I consider my dad, he was very hesitant, but he was cool with it and he supported me. And but my mom was very against it. I love my mom. Mom, if you're watching this right now, I fucking love you so much. But hey Ruby, come here. Ruby, hey, come here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, baby. Ruby, sit down. Sit down. Stay. Sit down. Stay. Hello. No, Ruby, sit down. Sit down. Ruby, sit down. Stay. She has to like obey. No, my mom supported me a ton, like after the fact. But initially, she was very hesitant for me to like drop out of school. Ruby, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Ruby, sit down. What the fuck? She's like, no, sit down. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Why you not listening to directions? Weird. She's like, usually always listens. Yeah, but ultimately my parents are happy for me now, even though I didn't finish school. Fuck it. It's your life. Do what you want, not what everyone else wants, man. Plan is to go live this week. Good deal, Rowan. Finally. Nick, what do you think about market makers? What the fuck do you mean market makers, bro? What do you even mean? Can you even define what you're talking about? You better move, bro. You're gonna miss your entry. Yeah, I should keep going. Let's go, Ruby. All right. Here, you guys can watch Ruby while I answer your questions. All right. America, baby. Always carry. Hell yeah, bro. I'm always carrying a gun. I love your energy. Thanks, bro. Are you plant-based? Because I have been for 2 years. Organic. Yes, I'm plant-based vegan. I've been since October, or I think November of 2018. So a little over 2 years. Can I invest fund with you? No, you can't. I don't have a license to trade for people. But I'll teach you how to fish, bro, with my program. You coming? When you posting a new vid? Probably the end of this week. You do payment plans, boss? Yes. Email my support team. Hey, Nick. Your London access sounds Australian. Yeah, fuck it up, Christy. Or Kirsty. You trade candle patterns that support resistance? Yes, bro. Hey, Nikki. Keep Tuesday. Hey, Nikki, keep 2. Good job, man. I don't know what you're saying, bro. Good afternoon from Portsmouth. Remember you saying you've been to Southampton? Yeah. That's funny, bro. The fact that you take the time to read and respond live is underrated. This is awesome. Yeah, I don't usually do lives for IG. Maybe like once a month, but yeah, it's like kind of exhausting. But, you know, here I am. Hello from Germany. What's up? Hey, bro. I needed your free course taught me everything I need to know. Good. I'm glad it did, man. Watching your course right now. LOL. Good deal, man. I'm glad you're watching my course. Big up from Uganda, Africa, bro. You're a blessing. Big ups, man. I love you, bro. Much love, man. Why does she have to sit? Yeah, there was like a lady walking by and I didn't want her to like go up and like jump on the lady. She's really sweet, but like, fuck, she's got some spit. Hey, sit down. Sit down. God, you've got this fucking drool all over your mouth. God. Yeah, but there was like a lady walking by and I didn't want her to like jump up on her. Some people think it's cute and they love it, but other people do not want like someone else's dog jumping up on them. So it's like, I've trained her to sit, but as you guys can see, embarrassingly enough for me, like she didn't fucking listen. So I feel kind of like a fucking dumbass, but whatever. All right. Thank you so much for your free group. You're welcome. Ruby's vibing. Yeah. Here from Alabama. What's up? What's up? Wait, so no more meats? No, I haven't eaten meat in like 2 years. You buying SNDL? I don't know what that is, man. You may watch GJ before you miss another setup. Yeah, I'm headed back right now. Ruby, let's go. Gotta get back to the trading floor, girl. You're amazing. I'm glad you think that, Sumana. Thank you. Do you know any people that trade both FX and stocks, and do you believe it's possible if it's done full time? Yeah, I know someone who does that. Sun is like bright, makes me sneeze. Ruby, let's go. You gotta catch these GBP setups, girl. What do you watch when you want to enter a trade? Oh my god, go watch my free trading and also watch all my YouTube videos. What's up, Brody? Have a blessed week. You're one of the best. You too, man. Do you enter on the 15 or 5? Both, man. Look good at all. Why be so linear? It's like, do you look at the 6-minute chart, Nick, or do you look at the 12-minute chart? It's like, use them all. Like, you put it all together. Put together a big picture of everything going on and make your decision based off that. What are your thoughts on FTMO? I have no thoughts on FTMO. Hey, are you at Oakmont? I live nearby. I would love to come and talk trading. Listen, bro, thank you for the love, but I would not like that. I'm really sketched out about meeting up with anyone in person. Only people I hang out with are like Bonnie and my family. I'm just like, I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know. That's just me. I'm really weird about hanging out with people. I much prefer to just chill with family, Ruby, Bonnie, and that's pretty much it. Every now and then I'll go chill with Momo, but I don't want to meet up with anyone in person. That's just me. I'm just weird. I'm a situational extrovert, but for the most part, I think I'm an introvert. So thank you for the love, though. Formal must 11. Zambia is in the house. Cool. Have you ever done FTMO? No. Do you use Sikis and Sokus making? I don't know what the fuck that is. How do you maintain your own lane when peers are ahead? Why even care? Just focus on you. Who cares if people are ahead? I got people who are better traders than me. Bro, I've got students who are better traders than me that make more money than me. I've got people who have like bigger education businesses than me. But it's like, I'm not going to fixate on that and worry. I'm just going to focus on me and my clients and my trading and just go from there. I think if you do internal focus versus external focus, you'll get a lot further than focusing on everyone else. Feel ya, homebodies. Yeah, I'm a big homebody. What if your dog starts to run away from you? That's a good ass fucking thing. Ruby, you should probably put your leash on now. Ruby, time for the leash. All right, there we go. Now what? Now she can't run away. All right, let's see the rest of these questions. Do you know anyone that trades with more than one prop firm? I don't personally know. I don't know anyone. What's the best time frame to take your entries, bro? All of them, man. Do you use the 10-year-old cousin strategy that My Life with Forex taught you? Yeah, you remember that video? That's funny. You should adopt a golden retriever. Golden retrievers are cool. I love dogs. I love all animals. And octopuses. Have you guys seen octopuses? Go study up on octopuses. I watched a documentary the other day called My Octopus Teacher. It's on Netflix. It's like an hour and a half long. I recommend it. It's called My Octopus Teacher. That almost made me cry. That was a beautiful documentary. But I love all animals, especially dogs. You made a video on FTMO trying to do it to help your clients. What happened? Why don't you go watch the video, bro? Ruby, fuck. Sit down. Go watch the video, bro. I made like 2 videos on FTMO. Why are you asking me? I made the videos about it. Bullish as fuck on Ruby. Yeah, we're gonna buy Ruby. I love how much of a recluse you are. I also prefer enjoying my own controlled environment. It's the best way to maintain peace and happiness. Yeah, like, to be honest, like, this sounds kind of fucked up, but if I had a bunch of friends and tried to keep up with everyone and everything and attend every event, it's just not what I want to do. I'd rather focus on my life and my peace and happy and my clients and my trading and Bonnie and my family and my dog. That just makes me happier. To have to spend all the energy like worrying about other people, and I don't know, maybe I'm just really fucked up, but I just don't want to do it. It just takes too much time. I don't get as much stimulation from it. It just seems so exhausting to me. But that's just me. I'm fucked up. Don't take your morals from me. I think I'm just way too honest. How much faster have you seen someone pick up Forex in your training rather than without it? Some of my clients, no shit, have gotten profitable in 2 months. However, I will say that's not normal. Most of my clients who actually have become consistently profitable and send us their trading history to where we like set them the role in the Discord of verified profitable, it normally takes them like 6 months to a year. But that, you gotta understand, that is exponentially quicker than doing it on your own. It took me like 2 years, and that was 2 years of like every day trying to do Forex trading, like learning and testing and all this shit. To have it happen for a lot of people in 6 months to a year is insanely quick, and for it to be consistent. And this is just my paid clients, not even counting all the free people who have like done my free training and got profitable at that. So I don't know, I think it's quicker. Have you watched The Social Dilemma? No. Is price action enough to be profitable? What do you mean by price action? Like, you got to be more specific, man. Yeah, I would hate to have internet notoriety. People are crazy. Yeah, I don't like being like famous. I just want to, as long as people can find me and buy my program, I don't care about being famous. Say some Hindi words. Love from India. I only know curse words in Hindi, so I probably shouldn't. Break and retest strategy has been a blessing to my trading results. Good deal. Ruby had fun with you. Yes, she did. Happiness is key. Simplicity is a good thing for some. What about your security? What about it? Shout out to all the good shit you give on Telegram. Thanks, man. How much time do you spend on the screens as a swing trader and a day trader? I spend maybe like 3 hours a day on charts. A little bit of time in the morning, a little bit of time in the evening. How can I join your team? David, go and find the link in my bio and figure it out. I think you got this, bro. Hold on, y'all. I'm crossing the street. Gotta make sure me and Rubes don't get run over by a fucking car. People go fast here on Bel Air. It's crazy. I saw the documentary too, and I went to get a blue ringed octopus. Check them out. They're fascinating. Yeah, and they're very intelligent, like insanely intelligent and creative, and problem solving skills. It's crazy. Travis, thank you. I'll be purchasing your program next month. Cool. How old is MFX? I started like around the beginning of 2018, so whatever that is. Maybe it's like 3 years old. Hey Nick, I love you so much. If it wasn't for you, then damn, I'll be fucked. You're welcome, bro. Molly Rahul, what's up, bro? Do you think stocks are easier than Forex? Like it looks like you don't try when trading stocks and still mad profitable. Yeah, but with Forex trading last year, I made like 370K, but with stocks, I made like whatever I showed on like YouTube. I think it's like 70K now on my Robinhood. So I didn't make as much trading stocks last year, but yeah, I mean, you can still make a profit on it. Like, that'll help pay some of my taxes from this year. Ever needed to use your gun? No, thank God. I trade break and retest. It's amazing. Cool. What session you normally trade? I trade New York session just because that's the time that I just so happen to wake up. Are you already in the new house? No, not yet. We moved this summer. Hey, baby, time to come home and get clean. Yeah, I'm coming. We're down the street. Is her name Ruby Rose? No, it's Ruby. I call her Rubes sometime. Do you keep positions or is it just day trading? It's like swing trading, but sometimes it's a day trade that turns into a swing trade. You should get a pet octopus and teach it how to trade. That'd be kind of cool, bro. Do you calculate your risk? Anda does it for me in TradingView. Nick, what's up? Aruba is seeing you. What's that? What do you do outside the charts when Bonnie isn't around? I build model police cars. What's your win rate? Like 25% maybe. You finished trading for the day? No, we're just getting started, man. Gotta be back to the charts to catch these GBP trades. Please don't stop sharing good shits on your free Telegram. It'll end someday, bro. Enjoy it while it lasts. Joining MFX this week. Welcome in. Let me see this. What's your stock you investing? A lot of them. All right, well, that's pretty much all the questions. So I'm gonna hop off now. I'm almost home. I'm like panting from hiking up this fucking hill. But I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna be posting in Telegram, so feel free to join that. Yeah, Ruby's like heavy breathing. All right, guys. I'll see you guys. See you in Telegram. Cheers.